What's going on YouTube? This is Jim from Now It's Dark, and we are doing a Zavvi.com unboxing of Walking Dead figures from Eaglemoss. And I bought these actually a little bit ago. I'm a little late making the video, but these are collector's models from The Walking Dead, and Zavvi.com is notorious for doing like really great deals, and they did a 4 for $20 deal. So I got 4 of these Walking Dead figures for $20, and yeah, they're Eaglemoss. So here's Carol. You can see, and we're going to open this up so that I can put them on display. Let's see. Comes with a bunch of stuff. It's got a little coming soon release guide. I'm not a big Walking Dead fan anymore. I've kind of moved, beyond the show. I do have a favorite character still. Comes with a book. So there's Carol right on the cover. She is one of the longest running characters on the show. I have heard that the show will be ending soon, and there may be possible spin-offs. So that is Carol. So the figure looks really cool. There's some great detail. It's not going to focus because of my big fat head. Maybe if I do that trick. Yeah, that does it. So there's Carol. All right, let's move on to the next figure. I have to grab a little box cutter. Sorry, very unprofessional. I know. So this is going to be the Water Walker. And I only got this zombie to round out the set of 4. So this also comes with one of the nice books, and I did not just intentionally flip you off. Just happened to be the way I held the thing. So here is the Water Walker. It's pretty cool. There's a lot of great detail. Okay. So there is the Water Walker. Now this next character is no longer on the show. He has since passed, but definitely a fan favorite. He's been very fortunate to still have a very good career in the movies. None other than Mary Poppins, y'all. It's Mary Poppins, y'all. Merle Dixon. This Eaglemoss figure is after he lost his hand. And he's got the machete there. I forgot to show that these do have a numbering sequence. I'm not sure if that's significant. But there is Merle. Now, the best for last. The absolute most favorite character I could ever have from this show is the Governor. Incredible character. From what I understand, quite a bit different than his character in the comics. But I don't care. I really loved the Governor and just have not really been into this show since they eliminated him. Here is the governor's booklet. Look at that face. Such intensity, such just ruthlessness. But by far the best, I guess you call him a villain. I call him a hero. He was just trying to protect his little town. So very cool. So this is the Governor Eaglemoss figure. Let's get him out of the package in all of his wonderful, splendid glory. Oh, such a good looking figure. Look at that. Iconic. Iconic. You can see his little flyer there in the newspaper. Really, really love this figure. There's the numbering. Again, no idea if the numbering has any significance, but I love the Woodbury newspaper underneath his feet. So that is the 4 for $20 Eaglemoss figures I got from Zavvi.com. Check out Zavvi.com. I am going to show off because just it's the Governor wonderfulness right now. This is my Governor Funko Pop. Very cool looking. It's one of my favorite pops. I already unboxed that. I was given a gift a few years ago from a family member of The Walking Dead. It's the comic book version of the Governor, so I display it on the shelf this way. And we have one more figure. I do believe I did get this from Zavvi.com as well. We're going to open this up. And it's the Governor, and he has an alternate head. This is a McFarlane Toys action figure. The Governor with the alternate head. And I'm going to open it because I am a out-of-box collector. I display out-of-box. So if you see stuff behind me that's still in a box, that means there's a video waiting to be made. All right. Oh, so this has like a crazy twist tie. We're gonna hopefully be able to maneuver the twist tie. And I'm gonna switch out the head. I like the eye patch version. I think of the eye patch version as like Governor 2.0. It's when he really got nasty and, you know, took out that horrible Herschel, that evil Herschel. All right, here we go. So there is the Governor. And we're going to switch out the head. Let's see if we can... I dropped it. Okay. Wow. That head is... Okay. That head was really, really on there. And it broke. The little black piece in there, it should have come out. So I can't put the head. Forget it. I'll have to get some tools and dig that out. But anyway, so that is the Walking Dead Zavvi.com unboxing for today. Have a great October, everyone. Happy Halloween and all that good stuff. And make sure you have your zombie apocalypse plan ready because it's still 2020.
And a ghost will follow you home.
Be sure to bring your death certificate.